I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to change. Open Accounts. Google. And go straight to Security. Once signed in, locate Recovery Phone and Recovery Email. We act on those now. Make sure you have the phone or access to the recovery email during the process for verification. Otherwise, Google will block changes. If two-step verification is on, be ready to approve the prompt on your device. This initial setup prevents locks and speeds the removal steps. Now you remove each recovery method one by one. Click Recovery Phone, then Remove, and complete the SMS or call verification. Confirm the action. Next, open Recovery Email, choose Remove, and re-enter your password when prompted to prove ownership. If Google requires additional verification, follow the on-screen steps or check your two-step verification options. Sometimes security holds delay removal for 24 hours. Make sure to pause between changes if Google asks for a waiting period to prevent accidental lockouts. Finish by revisiting the security page and confirming recovery phone and recovery email fields show as removed or blank. Once done, sign out and sign back in to validate changes. If you cannot remove a recovery option because Google blocks it, use the account recovery flow and provide requested details, dates, devices, and recent activity help. If changes are pending, wait up to 48 hours. And if problems persist, check recent security events and remove suspicious devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.